kids, welcome back to read another interesting book, Moon. What is that so big and bright in our night sky? Our moon, of course. Scientists are not certain how our moon came to be. Many think a large object slammed into our young Earth billions of years ago. The impact sent rocks and dust flying. In time, the rocks and dust gathered to form our moon. The moon is Earth's only natural satellite. It travels around Earth once every 28 days. As it travels, the moon's gravity pulls on our oceans. That pull causes low and high tides. Our moon lights up our night sky, but it has no light of its own. The moon bounces light back from the sun. When the moon passes behind the earth, the sun's light cannot reach it. Then we have a lunar eclipse. We never see the far side of the moon. The moon always keeps the same face toward earth. As the moon circles earth, the sun lights up different parts of its face. That is why the moon's face keeps changing. Have you ever seen the man in the moon? That face was made long ago by asteroids striking the moon. Some see a woman in the moon's craters. Some see a rabbit or even a frog. In 1969, the United States sent astronauts to the moon. Neil Armstrong became the first person to ever walk on the moon. The moon has always been important to humans. It brightens our nights. It brightens our lives. Interesting facts about moon. Our moon was formed around 4.5 billion years ago. When the moon appears to grow fuller, we call it a waxing moon. When it appears to grow smaller, it is a waning moon. The four main moon phases are new moon, first quarter moon, full moon, and third or last quarter moon. There are over 200 moons in our solar system. Many of them orbit Saturn and Jupiter. Mars has 2 moons, Earth has only one. In 1959, the Soviets sent a spacecraft on a flyby past the moon. They even took photos of the far side. That was the first time anyone saw that the far side looked like. 10 years later, the United States sent Apollo 11, the first manned mission to land on the moon. On July 20, 1969, Neil Armstrong stepped onto the moon's surface and said, "That is one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind." People used to wonder what the moon was made of. Some made funny guesses like the moon was made of blue cheese. Now that we have been there, we know it is made of rock and metal like our Earth. I hope you enjoyed these interesting facts. See you in our next video. Bye bye.